Donald Trump's mysterious plan. A revolution that will change the world. What is the hidden mystery behind this plan? Is it just a new administrative era, or is there a secret agenda behind it that will reshape America and the world? With every step, a new question arises. In today's video, I am about to uncover all the mysteries. So, let's get started. Is the leadership of the world's most powerful nation, the United States, truly undergoing a shift? On January 20, 2025, at a historic moment, Donald Trump took the oath of office for his second term and declared Liberation Day. But what exactly does this liberation mean? Are we witnessing the start of a new revolution, or are there deeper conspiracies at play? Will Trump's second term change the course of the world? Trump's second term, the beginning of a mysterious era. On January 20, 2025, Donald Trump began a new chapter in history. Taking the oath for the second time as President of the United States, he declared Liberation Day and promised a revolution of common sense. But the true meaning of this revolution and the hidden motives behind it remain a mystery. Under Trump's leadership, the United States is stepping into an unknown path, one that holds the potential to reshape both national interests and American influence, hinting at something even larger lurking beneath the surface. Immigration. A new reality beneath control. The declaration of a national emergency at the Mexico border and the actions taken against illegal immigration are not just about security. These steps may be the foundation for a much larger structure that could radically alter America's internal politics and economy. Ending birthright citizenship is not just a legal change. It could send ripples through the social and cultural fabric, possibly leading to an unknown shift in American society. Economy. An uncertain horizon of possibilities. Trump's aim is to restore America as the world's leading manufacturing powerhouse. But behind this ambition, could there be more than just an economic revival? Could it be the beginning of a deeper conspiracy to reshape global economic balance? The promise to support small businesses and renegotiate international treaties signals more than just a shift in America's future. It's a bold move against the tide of globalization. Energy. A source of power or a strategic maneuver? Trump's energy policies, especially the emphasis on fossil fuels and withdrawing from the Paris Agreement, are not just about policy changes. They signal the beginning of a power play where America seeks to reassert itself as a global energy leader. But is this solely about energy independence, or is there a broader strategic plan at work? Pardons and revolutionary decisions. The pardoning of individuals involved in the January 6th Capitol riot has created division among supporters and critics alike. Is this just an attempt at unity, or is there a deeper political strategy behind these moves? On the path of an uncertain future, Trump's second term is not just a period of governance. It marks the beginning of a new era. Every decision, every move seems to birth a new narrative, with each chapter filled with mystery and controversy. What are the hidden objectives behind national interests, world leadership restoration, and the preservation of American values? Every day in this era feels like a new puzzle. Where will this mysterious journey end? Only time will tell. This video concludes here, but stay tuned for our next video with more revelations. To learn more about such mysterious and secretive information, make sure to subscribe to our channel. Like this video and share it so others can discover these hidden truths too. Don't forget to leave your thoughts in the comments below. Thank you.